You will love the features of this 2020 Landrover Defender. With less than 35,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Be eager for the next adventure in this iconic Landrover Defender, the premium go-anywhere vehicle that's purposeful, durable, immensely capable, and indulges you with luxurious, modern, utilitarian chic comforts and conveniences. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, head-up display, heated and/or cooled front seats, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, moonroof, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, power passenger seat, satellite radio. Explore your world boldly and beautifully in this distinctive Land Rover Defender. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.